Welcome to Drop Zone Elite. Here we give you the best airdrop updates and how to navigate through it. So please, if today is your first time joining us, please you do well to subscribe. Okay, you know what we do here. So now today we'll be jumping into this particular airdrop called Kite AI. So now this particular testnet was launched on February 6th, as you can see here in their Twitter page. It's a very good one and everybody is doing this particular testnet, so please you do well to join into this one. So now quickly I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to navigate through this particular testnet. So now once you get to this place, for you to get to this page, the link is down there in the description, so you just go there, you click on it, and then you have access to this link. Now for you to sign up for this particular testnet, you need to sign up with your MetaMask account. Okay, so you get your MetaMask, sign up with MetaMask, and then you have to be in this particular page with me. Now once you get to this particular page, next thing you're going to be asked first is that you'll be asked to authorize your socials. You'll be asked to authorize your Twitter account and then authorize your Discord account. So once you're done with the authorization of these two accounts, then you have to come down here and do these few tags. Now one of the things you're going to do is that you have to do these social tags. Now if you come over to this place, as you can see here, you have to join their Discord channel, you have to join their Telegram channel, you have to connect your X, you have to follow them on Twitter. So once you do all those things, just come over here, you click on it, they will take you to your social. You just do the tags, then come back here and then claim your points immediately. Okay, now that's what you have to do here in this social one. So once you are done with that, you then have to come down here. Now this one is that for you to get this particular one, there is this tutorial. You start this tutorial just once you just come over here, click on it, you start the tutorial. So once you're done with it, you then have to claim these points here. Now the next thing here is you have to link your wallet. Okay, so once you come over to this place, so just click on it, you connect your wallet. Of course you're using the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so you just connect it, and that's all you need to do to set up this particular testnet. Now how do you accumulate points in this testnet? Now after you are done with all these settings, you then have to come down to this particular place to interact with this testnet. Now how this will be done is that how you earn point by interacting with AI itself. Now there are three sections you have to initiate interaction. Now this first one here, so here you're going to interact with Professor, you're going to interact with Sherlock, you're going to interact with Crypto Buddy. So now once you come over here, just click on this interact to take you to this next page here. Once you come over to this place, you connect your MetaMask account, okay, MetaMask wallet. Now after you connect, how you earn here is that you have to initiate chats with this AI. Okay, now in this particular session, that's the first one here, you have to ask the AI things that relate to Kite ecosystem, Kite AI ecosystem. So once you come over here, of course there is question here, just click on it, ask questions. Okay, now once you ask any question, ensure that it's being recorded to the chain. Okay, that's how you accumulate point. Now see, user recorded on chain. Okay, so each question you ask, ensure that it's being recorded. That's how you accumulate points. Okay, now so you have to come here every single day, initiate chats with this. Now if once you're done with this first one, you have to also initiate chats with the second one, the Crypto Bud. Here you have to ask things about the crypto markets, the crypto coins, and and now the last one, you have to engage chats with this the last one here. So once you come over to this place, engage with this, interact with them, ask this AI question. That's how you accumulate points. So now what I did was I just move over to ChatGPT, ask him to prompt ChatGPT to give me more questions that I could ask this AI. So I'll just go there, copy at least 30 questions, bombard this AI with questions. Okay, so that's how you earn point from this particular AI. Okay, so a very easy one to do. Okay, so just come over here, do your settings, and then go over here and then interact with the AI. Of course you can see here I have its two total action, and each one, the total of it is almost 820 XP points. I think I've also had only up to like 3 days in this particular one. So just ask questions, go there, prompt question for ChatGPT, and ask the AI, okay, for you to get points. Of course, each day at least you have options of making at least 200 XP per day. Okay, so a very easy one to do. Now, the last thing you're going to do is to ensure that you follow them on Twitter, okay, so that you'll be seeing their latest updates. But if there is any update, I will do well to ensure that you guys know about it. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for joining us.